Right now? You want my number? Let me get your number. I'd be able to call you anytime I want, bitch. You know? I'm alright right now. I'm alright right now. Fuck yourself, man. Seriously. What'd you take, David?
Yeah.
Why
I'll just get off my house and I'll walk.
No, why would you do that with all the stoplights? That's gotta be the slowest motherfucking road in the
Less
world.
stoplights here.
There, I'll just pay double. Just get me home faster. How's that?
You told me
God,
to
kind of
pay
like
double.
Anthony Rizzo, exactly what we're talking. I mean, there's Ashley. Ashley was badass. There's Western. But no, you gotta take the fucking road with a stop sign every 2 blocks. You know what? I was an Uber driver, a cab driver.
No, you really don't.
No,
I
yes, I
promise.
do.
No, you don't.
How about this? I don't.
You don't.
I'll slash the ones that pick and choose a bunk ass fucking way. A bunk ass fucking way. I'll slash a fucking beat up a guy that wants to take advantage of another guy because he ain't got no rights. That's some bogus ass shit.
Who's taking advantage of anybody here?
I don't know. I would take Damon when it's Ashland and Western, totally open. But I'll take Damon with a fucking stop sign every 3 blocks. Hold on. Wait. Hold your butt. We got a green light. Wait. 2 more blocks. There's a stop sign. Well, somebody said it stopped. Oh, wait. There's a stop sign here. Hey, bitch. How about if I take your kid on the right?
Yeah.
And she wants to get to college. I take her down Ashland
I'm a Damon
or
and
Western or
Waver.
Damon.
We had the
Which one would
we
you
got
choose?
so stuck over there.
Which one would you
By
choose?
UIC, we're trying to
The
come home.
faster way to go to college.
Then we got it back to the
Einstein?
fucking shop.
Which one would
and
you
then
choose?
Whatever you want, sir. He'll be home. He'll be off out before you. You'll be home.
I don't give a fuck about him. I'm telling you. Which one would you choose?
I don't have no answers for you, sir. I just want to
Yeah,
go to
10
my bed.
minutes.
You have the answer.
I don't have an answer
You're a
for you.
bullshit ass fucking cab driver, bro.
I get paid 20 cents a minute to drive. I get paid half of what he gets paid.
Okay,
I don't.
no matter what the fuck you get paid.
Yes,
minute to
I have no
drive.
reason. I have no reason to hustle you. I don't.
Listen,
I don't. There's no
Damon
reason.
is a hustle. Nigga, we live in this city. I drive the streets every day.
Look,
Listen,
I drive. No. You're going to
listen
no.
to me.
No,
You listen to me.
you're going to listen to me. I will drop you off. I will drop him off. You're not going to call me a nigga in my car. You're
Drop
not.
us off right now, motherfucker.
Here you go. Get out. There's no problem with me.
You're lucky I don't punch you in the fucking eye.
No, we're not gonna do this. I'm not. I keep my ratings
You're
up.
lucky
You
I
can
don't
report
punch
to
you
me
in the
whoever.
fucking eye.
No
You
problem.
This ghetto ass bitch. Fucking cocksucker head. Remember that shit. What?
Chicago Emergency Smith.
Yeah, I'm driving an Uber. I just got assaulted by my passenger.
Okay. What street are you on?
I'm on Damon and Bryan.
Where's the passenger?
I just let him out the car. I told him to walk because he called me a nigger, and he just slapped me in the head on the way out the car.
Damon. And what street?
Damon and Byron. I'm watching him walk away now.
Okay, male, white. Byron or Bryn Mawr?
Damon and Byron, B-Y-R-O-N. The guy who assaulted me was male, white. The other guy he was with is a short Latino.
Okay.
But they're both intoxicated, not moving very fast.
Okay, so listen. Damon and Byron is not a street that run together. You have to give me two.
I'm at North.
Go together.
I'm looking at North Damon Avenue and Byron, B-Y-R-O-N.
That's Damon, B-Y-R-O-N.
Yeah, I'm right at the street, so I'm staring right at it.
Okay, and who attacked you? 2 male whites or 1 male white?
There was 2 people in my car. The male white was sitting behind me. He got mad at the route that I was taking and punched me in the back of the head on the way out the car.
Punched him in the back of the head. What was he wearing?
Work coat, Carhartt style, navy blue. Looks like he's wearing a cap. He's with a Latino dude who is wearing a beige coat. They're both kind of mechanics types.
Okay, wearing a Carhartt work coat.
Yeah, they're walking northbound on Damon right now. The beige colored Carhartt work coat, both in denim.
Okay.
They're walking slow up there. They're approaching this next major intersection here. I can see them. I'm not shadowing them. Until you send
Push you in the head.
You punch me in the back of the head.
Sir, hold on. He pushed you in the head because you didn't do what?
He didn't like that I was taking Damon to drop off the passenger that he was with. He didn't like my route and thought I was trying to steal money from him. It's an Uber. I don't know what more he wants.